All right, what's going on, everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Today I've got this 1999 Chevy Corvette Coupe that we have with only 66,500 miles on it. Now, I got this car in and it was in amazing condition, all original, with the exception of some aftermarket chrome wheels, and they were the original 99 model wagon wheels, the wide spokes. That were showing a little bit of pitting, and so I went ahead and upgraded them. So as you can see, we put the later model C5 wheels on it. I've also painted the brake calipers here, and then as you can see, it has the nice fender flares added to it, and those are really smooth looking, really rounded out, not like some of the more squared looking ones that I've seen before. These flow with the body very well. But the paint is beautiful, looks to be all original. It has a clean history report on it. I changed a few of the common issues on the C5. As you can see, it's got new flags on it, both on the front and the rear. The heads-up display had fallen, and so I pulled that out and repaired it. Put a new pair of tires on the front. The rear tires are in great shape on it, and which we'll show you here now. It does have the factory exhaust, factory intake, new flag on the back, the letters across the back bumper cover there. I replaced the old dangly rear view mirrors, or not rear view, but the sun visors with new sun visors. The common missing door plug, we replaced that. As you can see, the door panel is in great shape on it. A little bit loose, but not too bad at all on this car. The driver's seat, amazing condition for a 26-year-old car. This seat is not all busted up. This piece, it hasn't fallen and broken like it usually does right here. And the bolster in great shape, nice and fat padding on it. In which you see a lot of that missing. Now also, these seats, they get a rocking motion to them, largely to do because of the memory seats, because they move so constantly. So it also had that issue on the passenger seat, so I pulled both of those out and repaired that rocking issue. So this car is about as fresh as you are going to find for a C5 model of any year. And as you can see, 66,519 miles. The oil pressure gauge is working like it's supposed to. That's a very common issue on these. Let's see if you can see the heads-up display right about there. Yep, working like it's supposed to. I don't believe the CD changer is working in this car. I don't remember if this is working or not, but for some reason I feel like the CD changer itself isn't functioning like it's supposed to. The display screen for the HVAC, that's working. That's another typical issue, things that go out on these cars. This one has the performance ride control in it. A lot of times you don't see that. No cracks in the center armrest here. Everything's together like it's supposed to be. Owner's manual is in the box with the leather cover on it. Bose stereo, all the speakers sound great. We'll get to the rear. Another thing that you'll see on these cars that's a very common issue with the glass roof, they look like they're delaminating. This one did when we got it, and we were able to bring it back to life. I can't tell you my secrets there, but we did an amazing job on it. Just has a little bit of pollen on there. Can't help that this time of year. But that roof, super slick, looks really good on the car. I've just got it off right now for video purposes. And again, stock exhausts. All the hangers are in good shape. I just replaced one last week. The car had low miles on it, but it was from an area that I guess had a little bit of rust issue and the hanger broke, so that was for a customer's car, but we got that tightened up for him. Everything looks good under here. No oil leaks, no major leaks, no problems at all. Another thing, the headlights both working just like they're supposed to, with no headlight motor noise. There you go. Let's see if I get lucky enough to shut this the first try. All right. So beautiful car. All the weather stripping is in good condition like it's supposed to. No leaks, no problems. Just a great unit. Nice C5. And we've got it available for you here at Holiday Motors. 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com, where you can also see the rest of our Corvette inventory and all of our others vehicles as well. So give us a call today. You can call or text me directly at 757-676-4444. We can give you the best money for your trade, and can oftentimes, even for a 1999, be able to help you line up some financing. We can help for shipping and delivery as well. So give us a call today. Let's see how we can earn your business and add you to the Holiday family. Been here 51 years. We appreciate you watching and look forward to hearing from you.